As you can see, there is a bird in my apartment. Somehow it got in through the laundry area. The door is open, but it can't quite seem to find its way out. I'm a little concerned because all my awesome stuff in here. And it just took out the Enterprise. Like I said, I'm just a little bit concerned. Here's the door. Come on, bird. I really don't want to. No. This is going to be bad. Alright, I'm going to start taking off the stuff that's going to get broke first. Come on, bird. Okay. Come on, get out of the apartment. Damn it. Alright, you're right there. Now get out. Trying not to hurt you. No. Oh, damn it. Come on. Right there. All the doors down this hallway are closed, so it has nowhere else to go. Unless it can open doors. Like a raptor. I hope not. Jesus Christ. Damn it. It got by me. Oh, there. Damn it. I opened the door because there's a bird in my apartment.
No, we're talking about our door.
Oh, okay. But that door's open because I'm trying to get a bird out.
A bird?
A bird.